Greetings people. Today we're going to change the ugly system that WordPress has for fonts. If you come from another platform like Blog or something where everything was all nice and tidy and already set up, I have no idea why WordPress doesn't have fonts. I have no idea, but they don't. And there's a few things that you come from another platform, like they don't have hot link thing here, they don't no follow. So there's a few issues. I can't understand why they haven't implemented it, but they haven't. So let's go. The easiest way I find to do it is to go to plugins, and there's this plugin called this one here, and I'll grab that. Add new. So it's Tiny MCE Advanced. Don't know what all that means, but no, I probably don't care. So I've got it installed. All I have to do is activate it. What you've got to do is hit the install button, which would be there. So let's go down to back to my. I'm not going to activate it here. I'm going to do it. The plugins are, so I can show you how it all works. So we activate it. And then you go into settings and you'll find it there. Got that? Click on that. So there's all these little things here, like that was down there, break, that was the break, page break, that was down there. So you can drag things up into that area there. So that, click on font sizes, and then the font sizes you'll get. And I don't know if that opens. No, it doesn't. So you need to click on that. So they're the settings I've got set up, and there's a reason for it. There's a couple of things like link button does. It's no good because it's going to mess up the original WordPress linking, which we have to do these days to make Google happy, which is backlinking to our own articles. So list style, font sizes, leave all them. But you can play with that stuff if you want, but that's what I have set up and what works. There's another one there, the background color. I dragged that up. That was down here. So that's your background color. That's your font color. That's your text color there. Yeah. So save changes. Oh, I want to put that page break there. Whoops, put that back up there. Did that go in? Yeah, that. Sorry. Okay. Anyhow, so what you see now, it's all changed. You got the background color there, which wasn't there. I dragged it up. Font color was there, but you need the background color. And there's your fonts there. Pick the font that's you're liking. If you want a suggestion, VRDANA, and probably a few ways you can pronounce it. That seems to be the popular one at the moment, I've noticed. So, but that's your call. Not going to tell you. What I quickly want to let you know. Okay. So, to show you something, what this why I just want to show you before we go why I didn't click on that link bit, because we need that. If we activate it, it will stop this from happening. See the automatic search that WordPress provides? If you activate that link, this won't work anymore and you won't be able to find your old post. So so that's why I didn't click on that. So that's about it. Pretty simple. You've got fonts now, and you got rid of that ugly thing that WordPress supplies. I find it the most annoying tool that WordPress provides. But that's it. I hope I've helped you, and you have a great day. Bye now.